Good morning, race fans. It's a beautiful sunny morning here on Saturday at Willow Springs International Raceway. It is approximately 42 degrees Fahrenheit. Winds coming in from the east at about gusts of 15 miles per hour. There's a bunch of shredders. There's a bunch of go-getters. And we're gonna fuck this track up. Small town, brother.
Yeah, we made it, dude.
We're in a small town.
We made it. We did it.
We almost fucking didn't make it.
We didn't almost didn't make it. We've always had it.
Yeah, we're here.
Hell yeah.
Ian's here. You guys know Ian.
Hi, buddy.
Bye, Ian.
There you go.
I don't think it's happening.
What?
This guy's got shavings everywhere.
Excuse me?
It's like it's like a 14-year-old's bathroom back here.
Hey, hit it.
That thing ain't gonna do it.
Come on.
Come on, brother.
That's all I got, baby.
Come on, brother. Alright, problem number one of the day. JP let my battery die before we got it towed up here. We also noticed the valve cover got stolen because he also has a 1J. Yeah. He also ruined my exhaust. Does Dillon have jumper cables?
I don't know. Let's go see.
TJ have jumper cables. TJ, do you have jumper cables in the trailer?
Yeah. And we got thieved from last time.
We did get thieved. Does he have cables?
That's what we're looking for.
Someone for sure has cables around here. Probably just take the battery and flip it upside down.
Bro, we're fucked.
Nah, someone has cables. And you don't have cables in the truck.
I'll check. I think everything I have battery related is the X5.
That's fair.
Damn it. We played ourselves. We're chumps.
See, what had happened was Ian said, hey man, you should buy a new battery because this battery sucks. And we did.
We did.
Battery's not here. It delivers Tuesday. Not today, Tuesday.
Today's not Tuesday. Yesterday wasn't Tuesday.
And it ain't going to be Tuesday tomorrow.
No, tomorrow ain't Tuesday.
Did all that effort.
Smart enough to send it here.
We got all that effort to go to a small town.
Yeah. Sick. A solution.
Pet that dog. Pet that dog.
Oh, you're the dude from throtl.
Yeah.
All right, sick.
My name's Cameron. Nice to meet you. Nice Tyler. Drift World's so friendly. Love it.
Let's give her a rip.
go piss really quick.
Hey, you want a video of that?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
I'll follow you.
Jesus Christ.
Hey, check them out.
Yeah.
Yo!
Hey, yo!
Leggings!
Try that in a small town, brother.
Those are the Mad Catter leggings, right?
We'll sleep on them, bro. These John's nice.
What?
That wasn't chill. You see like race dudes punching the helmets and shit? It's the best clips.
So, pump 3 seconds.
No, like get yourself in a circle.
No, but I'm saying like so pump 3.
Yeah, like, I'd get here
Don't
as fast
even
as
try to
possible.
kick, just start spinning.
Just try and get in a circle and then clutch kick it. Get like a 45 to 50 foot circle.
And literally as I'm going,
then just
I'm already on the throttle.
Like constant throttle so that you're getting some sideways pressure, and then just clutch kick it.
And then how much juice I need to build is depending on how long I'm on that.
Yeah, and then you're gonna have to steer at the same time you clutch kick.
So I'm already going left.
Yeah.
So when I clutch kick,
You're gonna go right.
I should start cutting right.
Yeah.
That's
It'll try and
back in.
it'll help you.
Okay.
It'll start working for you.
Okay.
You got this.
Yeah, that makes sense. Alright, somebody. What's up, baby?
Tyler, your favorite YouTuber here, back in action. We haven't blown up yet, but we did decord a tire. Wherever it's over there. That wheel's fucked, so we're not using that. Now we're checking tire pressure. We're gonna go back. Car's driving great. I'm doing okay. Right, Ian? Tyler's doing okay.
Tyler's doing okay. Tyler talks to Tyler, and Tyler consents.
He says, can you move? Get you an Ian on your pit crew. Like a filter.
There you go.
Just kidding.
Go crazy.
Okay, so series of unfortunate events. The battery in this car fucking sucks, and it died mid-spin. Not died, but we slowly started losing voltage as we were kind of ripping, and battery ain't got no juice. So we're gonna send Hef to go get some E85. And I might just have him go buy a fucking battery. I don't know. But we'll pick it up from there, and I'll keep you guys posted. Day one so far, success. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up day one of the Booty Hustlers Flavor Express event. I didn't do a lot of talking in this video. There was no point. This is a driving video. Overall consensus, started getting the hang of donuts, started getting the hang of clutch kicking and getting into figure eights. The car, I've said it a million times, has more power than what I need. So one of the biggest walls I'm running into, not literally, is just going against the power and what I need for what I'm trying to do. Other than that, we have 6 extra tires. They're loud. We have 6 extra tires. My wheel almost fell off because of the lug nuts. Loud. Loud. Loud.
Loud noise. noises.
I know. But other than that, it's a great fucking day. I had a hell of a time. I want to give a huge shout out to Dillon and Ian and JP. They all kind of collectively have pitched in to get the car here, as well as help kind of guide me help guide me as needed while I'm driving. And I want to give I also want to give a huge shout out to Rob over Big Mac Towing. I'll leave his info down below. He last minute got the car here after some inconveniences, but the car's here. We have one more day left, so look forward to that video. This has been Tyler. Thanks for tuning in, and I'm out.
It must have rebuilt.
That's what I think, but like.
Oh, you're still going.
It's all
Sorry.
paperwork.
Hey, tell them what happened. You give them. I already outro, but you tell them how
He did like the spinning around.
We did some of these.
around, and then like the stalling it,
Oh yeah,
and
we
then
did
starting it.
We did do that.
Did that all day. Look, the sun's over there. It started over there, and we were spinning the whole time, baby.
You know what I didn't do? Act like
Hit
a
a
little
wall.
I didn't hit a wall. I also didn't act like a little bitch driving today either.
Damn right.
I fucking got
that
in
gas
and
pedal.
fucking.
She's a ripper.
She is a
Runner.
ripper. I already shouted
Track
you
star.
out. I shouted you out in this video,
Oh,
and I also shouted out JP and Dillon because again, I appreciate you guys a million. Ian was a big piece for why this car even made it here. So he doesn't use Instagram, but you can follow him. Follow him, and maybe he will.
You could, and I might.
His info is right there. Somewhere right there. Yeah, follow him.
Sick.
And if you have Subaru work that needs done, he'll do that too.
JP will do that. For
JP
sure.
will do that.
Sick.
More Motorsport down in Santee. JT, hit your boy up. This guy's here. I don't know what his name is, but it's camera on camera right now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's Inception right there. Vlogception.
Get a battery out. Let's fucking go. Let's keep driving.
Yeah, we're good. Money.